Alright, the late morning is here as we begin the first official week of 2026. It is January 5th, 2026. Cian, he's here. It is 11:04 as I am coming to you from West Ladysmith, one of the Canadian Nationals, Barents Maine, at milepost 128.8 with a video lined up for you. As of 9:20, we had a power move return of today's S77281 of the 5th, and it is the first appearance of the retro-logoed C6M rebuild straight air converted 3331 that decides to show up. That's her first appearance on the Barents Maine. And now she's assigned on to today's L51981 of the 5th and has the 5430 paired up with it right now. Seems like the 5426 must be having a bit of trouble, and I'm pretty sure it's still left at Ladysmith Yard. That's okay. Right now, there's sand empties to begin with behind the Trenton Works boxcar right now. So we're going to await the restart here after the conductor climbs back on board the 3331, and we'll begin deliveries on the Barents Maine. Alright, restart is confirmed. And the 3331 was previously built as -9 2576. Sand empties. '21 liquid propane tank loads GATX 237 823 to bring up the last of it. Nicely done. So an 11 by 21 there. How about that? So that is going to do it for today's L51981 of the 5th for now. And we'll do it for the CN3331 sporting the retro logo and the 5430. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. You have a great day. Have a great week. I'll see you next time. And I hope I will see you down the main line. See you and Haze out.